Why do I make independent films? It's all about the magic. It's all about the magic. The kind that happens when you mix a few lights, a camera, a homemade rig for camera movement, a bit of set dressing, and some amazing acting. And you end up creating a whole new world that never existed before. Today, we're aiming to create a psychedelic experience using low-powered colored lights and a few simple but interesting camera movement tricks. Let's check out the results first, and then we'll dive into the details.
This time that I swear I won't call you again. I might need you again, so stick around. This time that I swear I won't call you again. I might need you again, so stick around.
I decided to shoot this scene because I've always loved the upward camera movement, which reveals new details as the scene unfolds. The beauty of this movement is that it gives us fresh information at every moment. To make it happen, I used two C-stands connected by a grip head. I attached the camera setup on a super clamp, which included a camera cage connected through two rosette arms to a cheese mount plate, and then to a Slipod Pro, which lifted everything upward. As usual, I shot with my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro, and for this shot, I used the IRIX 21mm t1.5 Cine lens. For lighting, I used 3 CINEPEER CM15 lights. These compact and portable lights deliver full RGB performance with adjustable color temperature from 2500K to 10,000K, along with 18 built-in lighting effects. They are versatile and easy to mount, making them ideal for creative setups. You can find more details and get a discount through the link in the description. I achieved the colorful look by using a triangular color harmony. Orange as the primary color to represent skin tones and the practical light in the scene, with green and purple adding a psychedelic vibe. I also used a smoke machine which helped enhance the psychedelic vibes of the scene by working together with the lighting and camera movement. This way, we didn't need to spend on expensive CGI or complex special effects. My favorite approach is to use bold, colorful lights to set the right mood, along with the perfect music. For the second shot, I used the same bright lighting based on a triangular color harmony: orange, green, and purple. The camera was mounted in a small rig cage and placed on a Freeblazer counterbalance carbon fiber Kid AD Pro 8 tripod. I also used the IRIX 21mm t1.5 Cine lens, which is great for creating modern, sharp, and high contrast images. As I always say, the best time to start filming was yesterday. The second best is today. So grab your camera, start creating, and share your stories. Stay connected, and I'll see you soon.